What's up my punkinos? Andy with Tech Influence here. I'm really excited to be able to go to this all leather case here from the folks at Bellroy. It's got premium leather wrapped all the way around the phone. It's got really cool colors to choose from, and it's got a nice ergonomic feel as well as a smell because of the leather that it is. It will patina over time, and inside it's got a nice built-in microfiber lining as well as MagSafe magnets to be able to allow you to use MagSafe compatible devices and accessories. With its slim leather shape, I think this is an awesome go-to to be able to protect your phone, especially since now the Pixel 9 Pro XL is so much more expensive than before. With that said, before we jump into it here, I did purchase this with my own money. It was not sponsored from Bellroy, but this channel is sponsored from my channel sponsor, Private Internet Access. If you want to not only protect you physically, but digitally, getting a virtual private network is like a leather case wrapping around your entire digital footprint. More on that at the end of the video. Let's go unbox this, demonstrate it, and show you what you're getting yourself into. All right, let's go over the unboxing here. Bellroy makes for a nice unboxing experience. You can just go ahead and take it out. It does have the instructions there as well as in how to. But that's about it. Look at that. That is really clean. Right when I open it, I can smell the Eco-Tan leather. This will patina over time, which is nice, giving you a cool chamfered round up to the visor. It is wrapped all the way around to the top, around the edges, even where the punch outs are as well. On the bottom here, you can see it looks like they opted into a large punch out to cover that microphone. They've got this nice microfiber feel here with the embedded MagSafe magnets, which is great. You've got the leather wrapping all the way around the edge, which is a clean look. I like that, it feels great, and it's got a nice ergonomic touch. On the back side here, what I really like is they've opted into these aluminum buttons that are kind of bronze colored that will accentuate your vibe, your feel there. Placing it in there, it's really easy from the bottom to the top. It's gonna grip all the way around the phone. As you can see, it's gonna have a bezel that's about 1/8 of an inch, so it'll give you a little bit more of a thickness, but it's not gonna push up against your screen protector, which I really like. Cutouts here are great. You can still see some of the back of your phone. You can see the buttons here are nice and clicky. Punch out there for your microphone, and then there it is. That looks really clean in the hand. I really like that chamfered edge that just goes up to the camera bump. It looks really sleek in the hand, and I think it's nice. Laying it flat, it doesn't necessarily rock. Laying it on the front side, it's gonna give you that protection so it's not gonna rub up against your screen, but necessarily the phone itself. I like that. Really clean. If you wanted, you can opt into this portable terabyte hard drive if you wanted to shoot HDR, 10-bit, or 4K 60. Plugging in there, giving you the option of storage. It connects via MagSafe, which is nice, so it's not gonna be going anywhere. If you're gonna be shooting content, setting this up, putting this on a rig, you name it. Otherwise, if you just wanted to have a nice snapshot grip, which with a shutter button, you can. This gives you 5,000 milliamp battery that will charge wirelessly, which is nice. It does have an adapter for MagSafe, so you can connect it to some of their other accessories. This is their creator kit with a tripod and grip, making it easy to make content, or if you just wanted to run and gun or charge on the go, you've got this option as well. They have a bunch of different colors. Really cool to be able to have in the hand. I like adding MagSafe to my arsenal here on my Pixel. Privacy and security is integral to my daily life. I actually work as a compliance officer, so having a VPN is super important to my day-to-day activities. A virtual private network or VPN is a great way to hide your IP address and safeguard your internet connection through encrypted tunnel. This way it shields your digital life from the eyes of those who are looking to exploit your private information. Private Internet Access Servers is located in 91 different locations by giving you the option to change your IP address or to choose from all 50 states, allowing you to gain access to websites and services that are not available in those locations. One Private Internet Access subscription covers an unlimited amount of devices. This includes Windows, Mac OS, Android, iOS, and even consoles. Use my link down below in the description, piavpn.com/techinfluence, to get yourself 83% off a 2-year subscription plus 4 months extra free. Private Internet Access is my go-to here, and I recommend that you check them out as well. Thanks Private Internet Access for sponsoring this video. Use piavpn.com/techinfluence for 83% off, 4 months extra, a 2-year subscription for your virtual private network. Private Internet Access sponsored this video. I think it's a great way to be able to not only cover your phone physically, but your digital footprint, your data, your privacy, and all that other good stuff. With that said, I think this is an awesome case. It's one of my favorites. It's a little bit more expensive here, but having the MagSafe capability for something like this 1 terabyte hard drive to be able to stick in if you wanted to shoot your HDR10 videos or be able to have storage on the go. It's super lightweight. You can connect it to batteries, wireless charging devices, stands, you name it. I'll have the links to all the products down below in the description. Let me know if this is something you're interested in, which one you opted into. I like this camel tan. I think it's really cool. Thanks for watching, guys. Any with Tech Influence. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.